Understanding Faculty Evaluation, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and important topic in the academic world: faculty evaluation. Whether you're a student, an educator, or just curious about how educational systems work, understanding this process is key. So, let's break it down together, ensuring it's clear and comprehensible for English language learners around the globe. Faculty evaluation refers to the systematic assessment of a teacher or professor's performance in an educational institution. This process is crucial as it aims to ensure that the quality of education and teaching standards are maintained at a high level. Evaluations can cover a wide range of criteria, including teaching effectiveness, research contributions, community service, and more. It's a way for schools and universities to provide feedback to educators, encouraging continuous improvement and development. Understanding the significance of faculty evaluation helps us appreciate why it's taken so seriously in educational contexts. Here are a few key reasons. 1. Improves teaching quality. By receiving feedback, educators can refine their teaching methods, making learning more effective and enjoyable for students. 2. Enhances student learning. When teachers improve, students benefit directly through better instruction, clearer explanations, and more engaging classes. 3. Professional development. Faculty evaluations often identify areas for professional growth, helping educators advance in their careers. 4. Accountability. This process ensures teachers meet the institution's standards, maintaining the overall quality of education. The process of faculty evaluation can vary widely among institutions, but there are some common methods used. 1. Student evaluations. Students provide feedback on their learning experience, often through questionnaires or surveys. 2. Peer review. Other faculty members observe and assess teaching practices, offering constructive feedback. 3. Self-assessment. Educators evaluate their own performance, reflecting on their teaching methods and student engagement. 4. Administrative review. School administrators review teaching effectiveness, research output, and other contributions to the institution. While faculty evaluation is essential, it's not without its challenges. Concerns over bias, pressure, and the subjectivity of some evaluation methods can affect the fairness and effectiveness of the process. It's important for institutions to strive for transparency, fairness, and constructive feedback in their evaluation systems. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of faculty evaluation and its importance in the educational landscape. Whether you're teaching, learning, or simply interested in the workings of academic institutions, understanding this process helps us all appreciate the efforts made to ensure quality education. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Remember, learning is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.